Kali ini saya akan mengasih tutorial cara bermain di PPSP pakai gamepad. Nah, kita langsung lanjut aja ke tutorialnya ya. Kalian hidupkan dulu home. Cara menghidupkan ini kalian tekan home sama X. Jangan sampai salah ya teman-teman. Tekan home sama X. Dibalengin kayak gini. Nah, ini lampunya nanti ada di nomor 3 teman-teman, ada di nomor 3 kayak gini. Nah, terus kalian langsung ke Bluetooth HP-nya dulu. Nah, ini karena saya sudah pernah terhubung, jadi langsung tersambung ya teman-teman. Nah, kayak gini. Kita langsung aja ke PPSP-nya ya, biar cepet. Ini saya sudah ada gamenya ya teman-teman. Ini kalian ke pengaturan dulu, maaf. Nah, ke kontrol. Ini kan pertamanya kan kecentang teman-teman. Kalian pertamanya kan gini ya, ada letak tombol kayak gini teman-teman di layarnya. Ini supaya tidak ada, sampean jangan dicentang aja, kalian jangan dicentang. Nah, setelah itu kalian ke pemetaan kontrol. Nah, terus kalian bersihkan aja teman-teman, bersihkan aja semuanya. Nah, setelah gini cara nyambunginnya ke PSP nya, kalian tekan tambah aja teman-teman, tekan tambah. Nah, nanti kan ada tatapan kunci atau tombol, kalian tekan aja teman-teman, sesuaikan sama yang di gini ya. Ini kan D-pad atas berarti atas, D-pad bawah berarti bawah, dan seterusnya ya. Kalian tekan aja tombol di atas ini. Nah, nanti langsung nambah sendiri teman-teman. Tambah ini yang bawah, kita tambah, tekan bawah, kiri, seterusnya kayak gini teman-teman.
Someone who is emblematic of another generation in that endless line of great Brazilians. Yeah. So many. And someone who's proved his excellence in both his home country, Peter, and indeed Europe at top level. And scores goals, a really prolific attacking midfield player. That's another one of his great strengths. Shops. And back to base. Otamendi. DePaul. McAllister. Oh, that's clearly not what he wanted to do. Xiao. They've got another chance here. Heads it. Just off target. Well, he showed great desire to get his head to that, Peter, and the crowd certainly approved. Just listen. Otamendi. Enzo Fernandez. Alvarez! Xiao. Oh, great chance! The rebound. Vlahovic. Offside, I think. Yes, it is. Yeah, this is clearly a well-drilled, coordinated defence. A team within a team. Oh, Red, they've been good at that. Xiao. Well positioned to make that interception. Schutz. Vlahovic. De Paul. 21 for a third of the way through the game. Vlahovic. This has gone, that's foul. And that's sensible use of the head. Xiao.
Baget-bagetan.
Cuyy. Schutz.
Malam-malam 13 itu. Keluar. Aduh. Aduh. Aduh, anjing. Ngeri.
It's got its work done.
Ya, harga hilang. Ngerti terus. Tunggu.
Driving on, he could shoot here. The keeper barely had to move.
Tunggu berenang.
De Paul.
Mati.
Another 5 minutes remaining before half time, and the game is tied. He's through and all alone! Oh, he's missed! Well, they've finally got a shot on goal. At last, something for their fans to cheer about. Otamendi. De Paul. Here's another good opportunity. Can he pull it off?
Iya.
Oh, there was plenty on that. He's on great form today and he's willing to try anything. That was a brilliant strike. So we reached the halfway point.
Kedua.
Well, I think they can count themselves a little bit lucky with that scoreline at half time. I think the manager's going to tell his team to open it up a bit and just use the flanks that bit more. 0-0 the score, and we're just about done.